So today I have a fun book about trucks. I'm gonna show and read it to you in the real way. Trucks. So this is the title. See this? And there's a picture of this car. I don't know who that is. And this is an ambulance. And this is a bulldozer. Or what? Trucks. Here comes the trucks. Vroom, vroom. They are big and powerful. Whoops. I can like this. Trucks have been around for more than 100 years. At first they had steam engines. Oh my gosh. What? I just told you. Oh, they're so cool, huh? And even still they draw it dry, but it's fine. No. Let's move on to the next page. Here, I'm gonna go on page 7. I wanna see the cool. Today's trucks run on fuel. Some use diesel fuel, others use regular gas. Fill the up tank, let's go. Whoa. That's this book. And a monster truck is powerful. Monster trucks, I love them. It drives over the cars. Cool. Crash. Crunch. The crowd goes wild. Okay. Let's go on page. Here comes a steamy truck. It has a long trailer. Steamy trucks haul food and goods across the country. Honk, honk! Blow your horn, steamy truck. These trucks are so cool. Beep, beep, beep. A dump truck drives up to the digger. Up to a digger, I mean. The digger fills the truck's bed with dirt. The dump truck drives away. Then it tilts its bed to empty the dirt. A car carrier takes cars from place to place. The driver flips a switch. The carrier's bed lowers. Up goes a truck or a car. Another one follows the cars. Are taken away to be sold. Lunchtime! The food trucks are here. They bring foods to job sites. Yum, yum! Time to eat. It's in this book. A car broken down. A tow truck comes to help. You know why I watched the tow truck in the video? It uses a winch to hook the car. The truck tells away the car to be fixed. See this page? A siren blares like flash. Wee-oo, wee-oo. And an ambulance picks up a sick or injured person and rushes to the hospital. Whoa. These are trucks. Let's finish. Whoosh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Here, a building is on fire! Fire! Here comes a fire truck. Firefighters hook the truck's hose to feed the water hydrant. The water puts out the fire. Whoosh. Trucks help people to do all kinds of jobs. They haul food and take away garbage. They clear snow and put out fires. Fire! You could drive a truck one day. Okay, now. Oh my gosh, there's this. This has a timeline, glossary, read more, and entrance type.